Hello everybody. It's Sunday morning and this is Sunday morning sewing talk at Jebb Adams' channel. What we have here is what we're into these days, talking about sewing, denim, ironing, and all things and restoration too. So we're not going to forget that with our newfound sewing careers here. At least I won't. So what I have is this great shot of the original 501s blue, denim blue, and all original 501s have button flies. And as you can see, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 buttons, 5 smaller buttons on the fly itself, and the one waist or button up there. And they are all riveted in there. And then for the build and the design of the flap, you have the buttonhole flap and then the outer covering flap. So those just got washed again in hot water and then a hot dryer dry. So they're shrunk now, and they've been done twice, just like the black originals, which we don't have to have here with us. But what I want to talk about right now here on this Sunday, these are the 550s that I got at a used store, a thrift store here in Montreal, and I paid about, I think probably $14.99 for these, or $9.99. Could have paid $19.99, but I doubt it. I paid $14.99 for these, and these are important to me because they're my first sewing project. I know, like how good is that? First sewing project right here on video on YouTube. So here are the results. I think I do some, indeed. So what I want to point out is you can see the kind of rough cut. And what I did was on YouTube, I watched a whole bunch of channels as a part of my due diligent research at this educational tutorial hobby channel of mine here called Jebb Adams, and you can see that I cut off the little bit of excess jeans, and this is what remains. Now I do have a serger that could have made that a very clean cut and stitch, but I don't know how to thread it yet. I still have to learn how to do that. But my point is that what I could have done was left this and then, you know, kind of put down this stitch, and I know it's not really the ditch, but it's on that line there. Put that stitch on the line, but also do a zigzag from the line to the edge, like say right there. And I probably could fit a zigzag. Whoopsie daisy, my set is falling apart. Oh gosh, what am I going to do? Nothing. See if I can set it up and move forward. Here, we'll try that. So I'm really thrilled about that, and these here are from the last person because I bought these at a used store, right? And so that's that one. This one I probably could practice right now, even today or whatever, but I'm not going to do it right now, with a small zigzag, you know, with a little bite on that, small. But that's how they ended up, and I'm really quite happy with them. I gained a lot of experience in that. Now the next pair I do, which will be in the next couple of days, it'll be one of the next 2 or 3 videos coming up, and it'll be done nice and clean and proper with you know, the straight stitch or whatever you want to call it, and then the zigzag to put a nice finish on the edge. So that's what I'm really happening about. The next video, the next video coming up here right shortly following this one, maybe not today, but you know, next day or two, is about the comparison I do between the 3 irons, between the Singer, the Black & Decker, and the Conair irons. So and that's an interesting story in and of itself. So there you go, folks. That's what I got for you today. I'm really quite happy with the way it turned out. As a you know, PS or postscript or whatever, I didn't cut enough off. I still need to take probably another inch to maybe 2 inches off so that everything is in perspective and you know, everything is in context visually. But the experience gained and the fun had was really great. Hope you guys have a great day with your machines and all the stuff you're into. Stay safe, have fun. We'll chat soon on the next video, and adios amigos. Love y'all. Thanks for your support. Please subscribe. Ciao amigos.